What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So, I'm always looking for a project that has great utility as well as some pretty good popularity to kind of propel it forward and be worth so much as an investment, right? We're on the investment side. Yes, we care about the use case side, but we do care more about what the investment side does for us, for me, for you, for all the bigger investors, smaller investors, and you could see a longevity. You can see consistency because the longer you see those things flourish, the better or best case scenario that you can have for an investor. So, AI is obviously the big ticket item, especially for this bull run. And we're going to talk about AI in this video because we're talking about Solanex. Solanex AI is the future of decentralized trading, and we're going to talk about that, guys. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And for anybody, I don't know if I'll post videos, after today, but if this is the only video that you see, hopefully you have a great holiday. But if you want to check out any of the links for Solanex, I will provide those in the description below at the top of the description, and hopefully you guys enjoy it. And again, when I make these videos, it's all about you guys doing your research. Once you do your research into it and you believe in it for yourself, then you can make whatever investment you want to make. So let's go ahead and dive into it. This is currently in pre-sale. I think we're going to start with the Twitter account just to show you kind of the popularity side of it, as well as where you can connect with them if you wanted to. So this is their Twitter account currently at about 23,000 followers. You're seeing they have the availability to message them. So if you want to talk to them and have a conversation on what they're doing, especially early stages, this is the time to really do it. They are currently in pre-sale. They are announcing their partnerships over here, so make sure you go and follow them on Twitter so you can get all the updated information for this project. But Solanex AI, the future of decentralized trading, revolutionizing crypto trades with AI powered efficiency and unmatched liquidity. You can join their pre-sale. They have about 9 hours before the next increase. So if you guys want to get in before you have an increase, automatically giving you a leg up, because every increase that it has from here on, you're making money, right? Just by it launching rather than you just investing into it when it does launch. You know what I mean? So feel free to check that out. You can join their pre-sale here, which they currently have raised 2.7, almost $2.8 million right now, and each Solanex is worth a point 0.006 or almost 70% of a penny. You can buy with ETH, with BNB, with USDTs, Solana, USDC. So feel free to go ahead, again, check it out, see what it's all about. Everything there. So their tokenomics right now, it stands at 12% for DEX and CEX liquidity. Public pre-sale is 35%. Marketing and community is 12%. Team and advisors is 7%. Treasury is 16%. 18% for the ecosystem growth as well. So they're looking to expand onto it. You have staking rewards, admission and distribution. The issuance of Soldex. Tokens is planned over a 5-year period with gradual algorithmic distribution, supporting steady growth and encouraging long-term participation. Participants will soon be able to stake Soldex for additional rewards. We are implementing a unique system where the duration of staking affects the size of the rewards. Let's go back to here and just go through some of the information that's on the screen. Right? Experience unmatched ease and efficiency in every action. So you have, let's go back here, elevate your trading. So join revolution for Solanex AI. Elevate your trading experience, maximize your gains like never before. Featured in different places. Next generation trading, Solanex AI. Fast transaction processing, instant on-chain swap processing to avoid delays and ensure high-speed operations. Robust security. All smart contracts are secured and encrypted, providing a high level of safety for all transactions. Intuitive interface, a simple and user-friendly interface that offers and clear instructions and feedback for users of all levels. Multiple pool support. Solanex AI supports liquidity pools from various DEXs, giving users the best price on the market. And gas fee optimization. Solanex AI is optimized for gas fees, allowing users to pay the lowest fees available on the market. And it all sounds absolutely amazing to be able to have that. All you need is that popularity to kind of come over here. And if you have $3 million, $4 million, $5 million, different people that are talking about it, different forms of popularity, that now you can see that these things do matter even more and more, right? If you have fast transaction processing, if you have low gas fees or cheap fees, and you have all the ability to implement, again, AI involved with crypto in some form or fashion, it's always a big deal, especially with obviously AI being at the forefront right now with all of the hype. Here's the roadmap. Foundation, so Q3 2024. We are currently in Q4 of 2024. Official release of Solanex AI platform. Collect feedback from early users to improve the platform. Start staking program and encourage long-term engagement. Launch the mobile app. Connect the external DeFi protocols and enhance security. And then you also have innovation, focus on global expansion, institutional adoption, and new AI-driven DeFi features. Advance the development of decentralized DAO. So again, you can join the pre-sale right now. Get started with it, and do more and more research into it. There's only so much that I can go into in an 8-minute, 10-minute video. So make sure you guys truly do your own research into it. I did as much research as I see possible for my investment strategy, but I think you guys can, click the links, see what it's all about, and make your decision based on what you see. And it doesn't mean that you have to go all in on that play. If you want to, you can. But what it means is that you find the right value that you want to seek out of this, right? So they have their FAQ down here. So all the different questions, most asked questions that you guys can answer or get a quick answer. So like, what is Solanex AI? Solanex AI is a next generation decentralized exchange that leverages advanced artificial intelligence to optimize trade execution, liquidity management, and user experience. Built on the foundation of a cutting-edge blockchain technology, Solanex AI aims to provide a more efficient, secure, and user-friendly trading environment compared to traditional DEX platforms. Simple explanation. If you guys want to go through that, feel free to check it out. I'm gonna get out of here though. Hopefully you guys like what I put in front of you. Let me know in the comment section below. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for a lot more videos like this. I'm gonna get out of here, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.